One of the most common questions people ask about Christianity is whether Jesus actually claimed to be God, or if that idea was added later by his followers. It's a fair question, especially for people who are curious but cautious about faith. When we look closely at the historical records in the Bible, the answer becomes clearer. Jesus did not walk around using modern phrases like, "I am God, worship me." Instead, he spoke within a first-century Jewish culture, using language and actions his audience clearly understood. To modern readers, some of these statements can seem subtle. To the people who heard them firsthand, they were anything but. One of the clearest examples comes from the Gospel of John, where Jesus says, "Before Abraham was born, I am." This statement is powerful because I am was the sacred name God used to describe himself to Moses in the Old Testament. By using this name for himself, Jesus was identifying with God in a way that was unmistakable to his listeners. Their reaction proves this. Rather than asking for clarification, they attempted to stone him, which was the punishment for blasphemy. Jesus also claimed authority that, according to Jewish belief, belonged only to God. On multiple occasions, he forgave people's sins directly. Religious leaders immediately objected, asking who he thought he was, since only God can forgive sins. Jesus did not deny their concern. Instead, he reinforced his authority through his actions, healing people to show that his words carried divine power. Another key moment occurs when Jesus says, "I and the Father are one." Once again, his audience did not take this as a metaphor or a poetic statement. They understood it as a claim to equality with God, and they reacted strongly. These repeated confrontations show that Jesus' listeners clearly believed he was making claims far beyond those of a teacher or prophet. Perhaps most telling is how Jesus responded to worship. Throughout the Gospels, people bow before him, pray to him, and honor him, and he accepts it. In Jewish tradition, worship was reserved for God alone. If Jesus did not believe he was divine, accepting worship would have been deeply inappropriate. In the end, Jesus didn't leave people with many comfortable middle options. He didn't ask to be admired from a distance. He asked people to decide who they believed he truly was. That question still stands today. Whether someone accepts or rejects Christianity, the historical evidence shows that Jesus did, in fact, present himself as more than a moral teacher. He claimed a unique identity, one that invites every generation to consider his words carefully. Curiosity, after all, is often the first step toward understanding.